ever try fight like you want the young artists them stay and come go up on them knee in front town and say, Father, yeah, my father, you know, her skirt. Go suck your mother. No. Okay, real mama. I kill more and kill off somehow, no. You think I game?
So if you're a subscriber, what go on? If you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy. And in this one, Kraff up on a live and I'm talk about things. Yeah, man. So I'm going to hear what Kraff say and you just tell me what you think about it. You see me? Remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel. I'm going to jump right into it.
Oh no, catch a rocker with the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rocker.
There's someone to do their research one night time. And don't play with me. Don't play with me. You feel a Kraff, my name. You feel a Bout chap. Don't play with me. The real dogs, they know my name one night time. Yeah, man. Don't play with me, boy, Pitney. Yo. Tell them this one night time. I don't say it already on a live one night time. Say, yo, if you want to have success in a life, you do me? You can't take nothing serious one night time. Yeah, man. So some boy pick me where see me I do all the music and feel like say me take it serious. You try go do your research one night time. I both them me I do this for you try learn that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. My apparatus never fail yet. Believe. Still a sin. All when it stays so. Her score is still a sin. You do me? Nah, make a bag of her score and a bag of Lula, brother. You do me? Yeah, man, and now stay so and ring out name, dog. You just low a name to make it stay one place. You see me? Come mad in a real life, man. Believe. Mad in a real life, man. You do me? Yeah, man, and now stay so and call so name and her score so name my dead. They even stay so and mention my name one night time. You see, pray, because I'm a different type of species one night time. I bleed different from everybody else who stay so and her. You do me? Yeah, man, a different type of pain we feel one night time. You do me? A different type of darkness me meds one night time. You do me? Me don't even like people one night time. You see style? Yeah, man, so nobody feel like say, oh, me take a darkness as serious you see me I do right. No. You do me? Me just I do this because both of them say do this. And from the both of them say do this, me I go do this. You see, pray. Yeah, man, you try learn, man, do your research, bad boy. And don't ramp with me one night. You know how much bumbucklad people not like me. You know how much people me go around. And the one time I go around them not like me again. And I do my business and they not like me again. You know why? Because I not like people. I not date people. You see, pray. So some people see me as stay and forward around them. You see, pray, I'm stay and forward out of my comfort zone and try to crack a smile. You see, pray. I try to shed some laughter one night time. I didn't even made that. I next up you a experience one night time. Because I'm dark in a real life. I don't like nobody at all. I didn't even like come out of my house one night time. In a real life. Because every time I fall out of my house, brother, I just pee in one bag of me a buck up in a one night time. You do me? So I stay in a darkest place and reason with me demon them. Because them alone understand me more while. If it ever did up to me to bumbuckler, me boom up a whole earth, yeah. And crack up everything. Chaos, carnage. Don't feel like say attack when you see me do some one night time. Believe me. Me dark in a real life. Not like nobody. You see, pray. Me not like nothing at all. Except darkness. A darkness alone for months, years and decades. So you not stay and call name. I want to keep my name out of the mouth one night time. Some of them man I just feel like some going about go sing song I rhyme. Don't play with me. No feel like some just going about and because the rhythm of sauce. I just find rhymes sweet. Don't play with me. I don't want none play with me one night time. You see, pray? Before you feel like say Earth I saw him stay. And music. You go around some other artists. You see me? And you see say, yo, what some other artists sing and I saw them stay for true. Don't play with me. When I go in a boat, I want something in my chest me sing from. I don't even know if heart did there one night time. I just low and pain. A pain I run through my bloodstream one night time. You see me? I there's some me sing from. I not just find rhymes. I hear that. And I call name and I call this and I call that and I ramp with my badness one night time. Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. Me a different species. Me bleed different from every one of them man. Every one of them artists that wanna go around one night time. That's why I don't even like how early one night time, you know. You see me? Cause me there in the darkest place one night time. You see me? In a pure bliss. In a peace. Mind at ease one night time. In the darkness where me there. You see me? And there is always somebody where I go stay so. And try pull you out of the darkness. You see me? And then I know so when I pull out of the darkness, they pull you with everything where they behind you one night time. Every darkness, every chaos, every carnage. You see me? That's why I'm staying in the dark, brother. Cause you out to do out there, so I'll be a fucker out there. You see me? I'll be a fucker with some people where I look attention. Some people where I look hype. Some people where I look money and them I look it the wrong way. You see me? Some people where I try, where them don't know if it's stay and calm see. You see style? You have to learn how to calm see one night time. You have to know how to calm see. You see me? As a human being, as a madhead, as a gangster, you have to know when to calm see, brother. You see me? I don't make no mouth get to one night time. Cause whole amount I want to see mouth I get to one night time. You see me? I don't know if you control on yourself. You see style. When you see young artists them, I do them thing. And the only thing I try to do is fight. I try to fight. You see me? I don't know about no other young artists. You see pre? But even if you don't fight me, I don't even take it serious one night time. Because I like say I take this music thing as serious one night time. I just do it because the both of them like the music. You see me? I do it for both of them. I don't do it for money, I don't do it for fame, I don't do it for power. I do it for both of them. You see pray. When you see young artists arise, you don't ever try fight. You see me? Ever try fight like you want the young artists them stay and come go up on them knee in front town and say, Father, yeah, my father, you know, her skirt. Got your mother. No. A real mama. No real mama. You see pray. Because when the young artists them arise, you don't see it from the reach, from way down one place, you know. You don't see when them a go a studio, you know. And some big artists did it. And them all reach before the big artists. And them have to wait till the big artists them voice before them voice. You see, you see pain where young artists them have to go through before them reach a point where them can see something. You see me? Yeah man, you see when all the young artists them have to pay for voice pan a rhythm. You know how much young artists them have out there when them take for idiot? When them tell them say, yo, you have to pay all 100,000, 50,000. For voice pan a rhythm. For voice pan a bumbuckler rhythm. And a them have to shoot their own video. A them have to stay and promote them own darkness one at a time. And when the young artists them stay and promote them own darkness. And by chance that same blood clot song hit. A hit song young artists go find. You don't feel like say the young artist supposed to bumbuckler who or something. Young artists they don't want nothing, brother. You hear me? The artists they don't want nothing, brother. Because you don't see when whisper, you not dead there when the man them a struggle. You not dead there when the man them a struggle to get peace I like, brother. Allow the floor, the bumbuckler man them do them thing, brother. Every man them feel like say, yo, them want stay so real school, make the man them stay so real school. Them want mine.